In light of the unrest across the country, we're seeing local protests against racial injustice as well. But there's also a state office that's working to create change right here in Nevada. Orko Manna joins us live now with more details on what they're doing. Orko.
Well, Sasha, Nevada's Office of Minority Health and Equity was created a while ago, but it traditionally focused only on the health care needs for communities of color. Now there's more of a focus on racial equality. We spoke with Eric Jimenez, the chair of the Office of Minority Health and Equity. He says his office will now take a leadership role when it comes to promoting equality, especially following Governor Sisolak's declaration of racism as a public health crisis in Nevada. Jimenez adds that the recent protests against racial injustice from Kenosha to right here in Las Vegas are important shows of solidarity, and that includes the actions of sports leagues, but he says that's just the beginning.
What I'm interested in is how can we take the frustration and the passion and the pain that's coming from some of these protests, and how can we channel that into positive action? And that's through ordinances and laws.
Jimenez tells me his office is making progress on a bill draft for the upcoming legislative session that will require a diversity and inclusion officer at every state agency. Over the next few weeks, they will be talking with community members and community groups to get feedback and to come up with recommendations that they can send directly to the governor's office. Sasha?